Hi internet friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Lee here. Today I'm going to share with you how to make cuffed sleeves shorter without alteration. This is a plain sleeves without opening, without a button or zipper here. If it's too long, so we just roll up or just use a elastic band help make it look shorter. Or if you want to DIY or bring to a tailor to alter, this job is much easier to do than cuffed sleeves. Cuffed sleeves like this is here opening with button closure or zipper closure. It demands more labor and skill to do alteration. And if I just roll this, it doesn't look good. So I'm thinking how I can make it shorter without alteration. So my first idea is, well, I just roll this up and close the button here. So it looks nicer. But the thing is, if I want to take off the jacket, it's stuck because it's too tight here. This is the better idea by using these elastic bands. I've got 4 because there are 4 buttons on the sleeves. So first, just this elastic band goes through and across here and go around the button like this. Another one like this, go in that loop, and this loop will go on the button around, and another go like this, and then roll the sleeve back like this. So this is how it looks like. Now I will put a jumper underneath and to try if the sleeves feel tight. How about a shirt?